90-Day Fiancé. Happily Ever After? Star Michael Ilesanmi has been the topic of shocking rumors regarding what he used his GoFundMe fundraiser money for. Michael came to the U.S. in December 2023. He was living in Angela Dean's house in Hazlehurst until he filmed the tell-all for Season 8. Michael found out that Angela had hired a private detective to dig into his social media accounts. Although Michael was disappointed, the detective cleared Michael's name and proved he wasn't a cheater or a scammer. Once Michael came back to Georgia from New York after filming the tell-all, Michael hatched a plan to escape from Angela's house. He did it in February 2024 while Angela was running errands. Michael had enough of Angela's alleged abuse and needed to leave. Angela first reported Michael as missing. But when Michael told the authorities that he had left because he feared Angela, the American woman decided to file for annulment so she could get Michael sent back to his country. As of October 2024, Michael and Angela don't have any active court dates for the legal proceedings. Not a lot is known about Michael's past before 90-Day Fiancé. Staying off social media might have helped him keep his past a secret. This meant that Michael hadn't revealed anything about the relationship she was in before meeting Angela or the jobs he had. Michael was already 30 by the time he starred in the show. It's not like he went for so many years without working. Michael's Facebook used to state that he worked as a bus admin for some time. He had studied at the Yaba College of Technology, which is a polytechnic institute in Lagos, Nigeria, where Michael was living. Some unverified reports about Michael also mention he worked as a used car salesman in his hometown for a while. However, Michael seemingly didn't need to work once he started his reality TV career. Angela became the sole provider for the two of them, apart from also being the breadwinner for her own family, including her 2 daughters and 6 grandchildren. Angela started earning through the show and received offers from brands to collaborate. Even before she lost weight through surgery, Angela was hawking slimming teas. A chunk of their income also came from Cameo. Angela was sending money to Michael, and he seemed to be living quite a comfortable life as he had no complaints. Angela was keeping Michael well-fed and satisfied. However, Michael was feeling an itch to become an influencer. Angela didn't like Michael making Instagram profiles since she knew he was a cheater who could use them to flirt with random women on the internet. However, Michael made an Instagram page and told Angela to give him $5,000 and to delete it. Meanwhile, Angela presented him with an ultimatum: take his Instagram down, or it would be over. Michael launched a GoFundMe fundraiser in August 2024 and quickly raised $10,000 and out of the $25,000 and he was trying to raise. Michael told his followers that he had been put in a situation where he, unfortunately, had to ask for help. Michael said he had to seek legal advice because his wife had gone to court against him. He had already obtained an attorney, but the fees were expensive. I have a legal battle to fight, and that fight will be expensive, Michael added. He told his followers to give him whatever they could. A week after Michael started his fundraiser, his lawyer filed an entry of appearance in Jeff Davis Superior Court. Michael hired Andrea M. Johnson of Veyman and Taitelbaum from Georgia. Andrea has been practicing as a licensed attorney in Georgia for more than 20 years. Michael's lawyer is an expert in immigration-related cases and also in family law. Angela has filed an annulment to get Michael deported, and hence, a lawyer who has experience with immigration is who Michael needs. The attorney filed a notice of deposition for Angela Dean to question the private investigator she hired in the same week that Michael started his fundraiser. He was spotted making an expensive purchase. Michael had already reached his goal of $25,000 and within 2 days. He reposted a story on Instagram which was originally shared by an employee of Discount Tire thanking him for visiting their store. The employee had recorded a selfie video with Michael and captioned it, "Shout out to Michael, one of 90-Day Fiancé, for showing some love at Discount Tire," while calling Michael a cool dude. Michael never revealed what he was buying, but he looked satisfied with his purchase. It may have been Michael's visit to Discount Tire that led to some viewers wanting to know what he had purchased. Nike Deficit posted a picture of Michael standing in front of a red Mercedes car wearing a printed black shirt with blue jeans. The picture had caught the attention of Lauren Bravarnik, who told her followers that Michael may have used his GoFundMe money to buy the car. So did Angela's friend Scott Wern, who created parody videos of him speaking in Michael's accent and pretending to buy a car. However, Michael clarified it was his friend's car. By September 2024, YouTuber Moving MAD shared some screenshots of a chat between Michael and his alleged girlfriend where they discussed a car wreck that happened in July 2024. Alexa Pomegranate 90 shared the screenshots where Michael was apparently talking about offering money to the other driver to fix their car's damages. While a photo revealed that Michael's own car was pretty damaged itself, Michael's alleged girlfriend pressed him about whether he had car insurance or not. Michael's vague answer suggested he didn't have it and was driving without insurance. There was no police report for the incident either. As per Moving MAD, Michael was apparently discussing where he was living. In the chats, he wrote he stayed with a friend in a 4-bedroom house and his friend had rented out one and was about to rent the other. He wanted Michael to move elsewhere. Michael also preferred to get a place of his own. Michael was looking for a good 1-bedroom apartment. They could start from $1,200, $1,500. Since the chats were from July 2024, a few months have already passed, and Michael could have moved into a new house, which can be seen in the content he shares on social media. 90 Day Fiancé, as Michael's PR decided to share a statement to provide updates on his legal proceedings, media inquiries, rumors, and his GoFundMe campaign. Michael assured his followers that while he had engaged in communication with women in the past, he had not let these interactions progress, and there had been no personal contact or meetings. He also said that speculations about the funds being misused for personal expenses, such as purchasing vehicles or covering moving costs, were untrue. Michael's funds had been strictly used to only cover his legal costs.